Hello guys, this is 𝐬𝐻𝐧𝐤, your reliable supplying channel. So today we are checking the use. This is a used market, as you can see now, but this is for the drilling rig, water well drilling rig. So here they have a lot of type. So they have this one, but this is a used one. So the price is very cheap. The price is very good. So this is a refurbished one. 这是整新的还是二手翻新的？
这是二手的。
You say this is a refurbished one. It's not a new one, but the work on it look quite good. So this one can drill, you can dig 350 meters down. So this is very strong. It's very strong. So I'm currently with the factory. So we are making a whole tour of this place. So they have a brand new one. After this one, we are going to the factory for the brand new one. Is that right? After this one, 我们去看整新的是吧啦？ So after this one, we are going to the factory to check the brand new one. So here you can see they have the used one. So this one can dig 300 meters, and then it's a used one. So guys, if you cannot afford a brand new one, you contact me. You will get the used one here. This is also the used one. They have a lot of used one, and the price is good. The price is good. So they have a lot. So we are making a tour. We are making a tour of the place. It's very cool. 这是老款应该的吧？
对，这个是老款。
这种便宜不？
这种便宜。
OK， 这个价格会大概多少钱？大概？对，你看。
这个也就是在个
美元价格，大概。
美元价格。
对。
应该在$5000左右。
Okay, so this one.
5000美元。
So this one is between $4,000 to $5,000. This one. They say the used one, $4,000 to $5,000. Maybe less than this one. Maybe if you need another kind, they can give you at $1,000 to $2,000. It depends. Okay, so she said this one can be around $1,000 to $2,000. This is also good. See, this is all very old, but they can refurbish that. So if someone want to buy the very old like this, is possible, but I will advise you to let them refurbish it to be like this. Yeah, you know, once it's refurbished, it can reach maybe $10,000 or $9,000, something like this. But this is also good. But this is the price for the used one. Later, I'll take you. Later, we go to the factory where there is a new one, all new. Where there is a new one, we also have the price over there. So this is very good. So we have a dog there. Okay, 1000米呢？
对对对。
So
800还是1000？
So 你先放香肠头里面。OK，你拿学英文吗？我。
No。
我觉得你英国懂的多。
This is black. This is black diamond 1000s. It can drill 1000 meters.
It can drill 1000
Yeah.
meters.
Yes. It's a big machine.
It's a very big one.
Yeah. It's a very big one.
Okay, this is good. So it's possible to put this one on the truck?
Yes.
这个也可以放车。
Yes. Okay.
How about this one? How about this one?
Oh, this one? That one?
对对。
说这个吧。This one can drill 400 meters.
Okay, so what is the price of this one?
一万怎么说？1万。
$10,000.
$10,000.
Oh, $10,000.
Yeah.
It's around $10,000.
Yeah.
It's possible to negotiate the price, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. This is around $10,000, but it's possible to negotiate the price. So this is not brand new.
This is used one.
This is used one.
Yeah, second hand.
Second hand.
Yeah.
Okay. So which one? Okay, you showed to me more. Okay.
They're all in good condition.
Yeah. I'm looking for the good condition. How about this one? You can do it to 3,000 or 5,000 or 400.
我看一下 ，wait. 200.
Only with 200.
Yeah.
Okay, 200.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
How about this one?
80 meters.
280 meters.
Yeah.
For this one.
200 meters.
200.
200
So
meters.
The small one.
Yeah,
And
smaller
this
one.
The big one.
Mm.
Okay. Oh, this one is.
This is more.
So we can be sitting here.
Yeah, this is used one.
We also use one.
Yeah, used one.
Refurbish one.
300 meters.
300 meters also.
Yeah.
Hey, here you can change in English, right? This one can be in English, right? I mean,
Oh, yeah.
it's possible to change all the
We can replace.
You can replace it.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one also. Oh, okay. So the one we have, I mean the one we took, we can do it. What is the limit for the one we have?
不理解。
我说我们的可以打孔到都。
300 meters.
So the one we took can do it to 300 meters.
Yes.
He cannot go to 600 meters.
啊
能不能做到600天啊？
？Yes.
那为什么你说300？
哦，这个做不到，它300米。
我说我们拿了那款，可以到
400多米吧。
可以到400多米。
对。
Okay, guys. So the one we have, I mean, we order one with her. She say you can reach more than 400 meters. So I think it's cool. So this one can reach what?
啊？
这个呢？
这个是
300的。
对，300型的，价格也不高。
Okay.
嗯。
So, okay, what is the price for this one?
About $7,000.
About $7,000.
Yeah.
So the price is good. You got this one $7,000, and then we ship it for you. This is refurbished one. This is refurbished one, right?
Oh, 350.
350.
Yeah.
Oh, so you said
yeah.
This one can do it to 350.
Yeah, $10,000.
Okay, 350. It's good.
Yes, it's good.
So how about this one? I'm seeing the generator.
Oh, this is 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 brand. It's a famous brand.
Oh. Okay, but this is hot one.
Air compressor. 志高
This is air compressor.
Yeah. Small air compressor.
Small air compressor.
看一下多少磅？13 bar. It's a small. 哦，这个机器很厉害，这个机器。
Okay.
这个机器很强壮，你看它这个塔架。
So this one is very strong. Yes. You can see, I think it goes a lot. How the price of this one could be?
这个
大概价格，大概的。
这个好像有点高，这个我问一下。
会到2万美金吗
？74，差不多吧。外边还有这阿特拉斯的空压机，你看一下。
阿特拉斯，我来看一看。
这个是那个，也是美国的。
So they said they have a US brand also, you can see.
Yeah.
This is a US brand?
Yes, Atlas air compressor.
Atlas.
Famous.
This is air compressor. So they also have air compressor. This is all used. Okay. 这个可以秀吗？这个可以秀吗？
可以，这个是那个用车牵着它走的。对，拉着它走的。
老款的对吧？ 非常老啊，是没那么老。
这个还行，这个不是很老，这个还行。
这23年。
23
年。
13年。
很老。
你看那边还有个特沃特的，就是特沃特、阿特拉斯、受力，不是这个。这特沃特也是国外的。
对，哦，这是国。
对。
特沃特
这个很出名。特沃特、阿特拉斯、受力。Yeah, you can open it. 它锁着了。Oh, nice.
So this is generator or air compressor?
Air compressor, yes.
This is air compressor.
It's very popular.
You can read this one. 1,000, huh? 100. Cool. Okay. This one also. This is good. No problem.
Okay.
So, what you want to say to people who want to buy this one? What you want to say to them?
不知道。
你直接说，如果你要买，我们在这里帮助你。你说一下英文。
If you want to buy the drilling rig and air compressor, we will try our best to help you, to give you the best service.
Okay. So guys, you have to be in touch with me, and then we work, and then we do that. So here we have a lot. We'll be in touch with each other. Okay. Thank you so much.
因为上半年是旺季，已经卖了很多台了，现在数量不多了。
哦。
但是我们也持续采购。
你们持续采购了？
对，一直就是在，就卖的很快，卖了再进。
卖得快。然后，你们主要市场是哪的？是国内还是国外？主要市场。
国内国外都做。
国内国外都做。
但是一般都是别人从这儿买。
哦。
对，一般都是贸易公司来买。又来一台。
我觉得我们 OK 了。Okay, guys, so thank you so much. So stay tuned. Now we are heading to the factory and see the brand new one. This is a used one. We also have a brand new one. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.